Let's help language grow.
Hi, my name is Beth Browning, and I'm a senior consultant for PRC-Saltillo. I support PRC products here in the southern half of Indiana. This is my daughter Catherine and our kitty cat Serafina. There are lots of simple ways to model and teach language during daily routines at home. We'd like to show you some ways to use the words out and in. You can use the words out and in when making a snack. First, take the ingredients out of the fridge. Next, put them in your bowl. And now, put it back in the fridge. You can use the words out and in for an outdoor activity. Let's go out to play. Hey Kat, I see that you're already in the wagon.
Go!
Here we go. Okay, time to get out.
My cat Fina likes to play in the box. Oh, looks like it's time to go out of the box. And she can go right into my arms.
You can use the words out and in when playing with your pet. My cat Fina likes to play in her tree. Come here, Fina. Okay, time to get out of your tree. Come on, let's get out. Oh, good girl. Thanks for watching. We hope that you'll find some time to teach the words out and in this week. Bye.
Bye!